This is the Drum Studio Package. It includes the MDL 96144E, a booth measuring 8 feet 2 inches by 12 feet 2 inches, with double wall isolation, great for live rehearsals and full band recordings. The acoustic package includes panels that help balance the room sound. 8 LENRD Bass Traps control low frequencies for a tight studio session, and Auralex Studiofoam treats reflections for an accurate recording environment. There are 9 cable passages to help integrate gear without clutter, and 3 large studio lights brighten the space with dimmable lighting and colors. The door window adds visibility while maintaining sound isolation, and a wall window provides additional lines of sight into the whisper room. Quad ventilation systems keep airflow steady, even in extended sessions. The ventilation silencing system reduces internal fan noise, and the external fan silencers minimize fan sounds outside the whisper room.